So now I am going to be continue some few more examples on the what again the differentiation by using the what the chain rule. One more example I will take it as the what that is a y equal to root of ax plus b divided by root of mx plus c. So this is about the what one more example in the differentiation by using the what the chain rule. So again it is in the form of u by v. So u by v, what we have the formula is, that is v u dash minus u v dash divided by what v square we have. Is it? Then what we have to do actually, dy by dx. First we keep the v as it is, that is root of mx plus c. The differentiation of u. So now it is in the form of root of x. Root of x is 1 divided by 2 root of x. The differentiation of x is ax. Differentiation is a plus differentiation of b is 0. Getting? Next what we have to keep? Minus, then root of ax plus b keep as it is. Then differentiation of v. Now it is in the form of again root of x. Then root of x is 1 divided by 2 root of x. The differentiation of this term x is, that is mx differentiation is m plus c differentiation is 0 whole divided by v square, that is root of mx plus c whole square. So don't cancel this root and square again here. Just you keep it as, I am sorry, root of mx plus c whole square, that is v square. Getting? And now the next one example I am going to be solved. The next one example is 1 divided by 5x square plus 2 whole raised to 6. 1 divided by 5x square plus 2 whole raised to 6. Now it is in which form? 1 divided by x raised to n. 1 divided by x raised to n. What is a 1 divided by x raised to n differentiation? Minus n divided by x raised to n plus 1. So whenever we are going to be differentiate, first we apply the formula for the power of the x term. Power of the x term is n, minus n divided x raised to n plus 1 I. Then differentiation of x is always here, it has the 1. But we do not write that. Getting? Now because multiple into 1 is again that multiple only you get. Getting? So here this is 1 by x raised to n, then dy by dx is what? Tell me. Minus 7, I am sorry, minus n divided by x raised to n plus 1. Minus n divided by x raised to n plus 1, then differentiation of x term. 5x square differentiation is 10x plus 2 differentiation is 0. Getting? Okay? Now continuing some again the basic examples like so while watching the video you students have to give the attendance. Got it? Okay. So the next one example is like 1 divided by y equal to 1 divided by root x minus x whole raised to 4. Root x minus x whole raised to 4. Again it is in the form of 1 divided by x raised to n. So again dy by dx is what? Minus 4 divided by root x minus x whole raised to 5. Power mugitu. The differentiation of x term. Root x differentiation is 1 divided by 2 root of x. Next what we have the sign is minus, then x differentiation is 1. Getting? So this is what the differentiation of this. Okay. So whenever you are going to be differentiate the x term, that x term differentiation should be present in the numerator. Don't write in the denominator. If you write in the denominator, then you may lose the marks again. Getting? So you should have to be right those all the terms in the numerator only. The next one So the next one is about y equal to 1 divided by sin x into cos x. 1 divided by sin x into cos x. Then again it is in the form of what? 1 divided by x raised to n. Or else you can apply the u by v also, no problem. 3. Okay, if it is in the form of 1 divided by x raised to n, v is in the form of u into v. How though? So dy by dx is what? Minus 1 divided by sin x into cos x whole square. 1 divided by x square, but x is in the form of u into v. Then differentiation of u into v we have to do. First we keep the sin x as it is. The differentiation of cos x is minus of sin x. Next keep the plus. Then keep the cos x as it is. Then differentiation of sin x is cos x. Getting? It means minus sin square x plus cos square x. Okay. Next one is about y equal to 1 divided by 5 raised to x into a raised to x. 1 divided by 5 raised to x into a raised to x. Again it is in the form of 1 divided by x raised to n. But x is in the form of u into v. Then dy by dx is what? Minus 1 divided by 5 raised to x a raised to x whole square. Then it is in the form of u into v. 5 raised to x differentiation. I will keep the 5 raised to x as it is. A raised to x is a raised to x log a. Then plus keep the a raised to x as it is. 5 raised to x means instead of a what we have the term is 5. Instead of a write out the 5, that is 5 raised to x log of 5. Getting? The next one example. The examples are very interesting to be solved. Okay. Next I am going to be take. Okay. These are the very interesting. Now I am going to be use some trigonometric square function, cube function. The order should be the very high. If y equal to cos square of x. Y equal to cos square of x. So cos square of x is nothing but what? Cos of x whole square. Very simple. Okay. So look here. What is the differentiation of cos of x whole square? First you should have to consider this cos of x as the x. It means again x square. So differentiation of x square is what? Consider this one as what? X square. And differentiation of x square is 2. Instead of x what you have to be write? Cos of x. So note x square the differentiation ಎಷ್ಟು simple ಇರ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ look here x square differentiation is 2 into x power first ಮುಗಿತೈತಿ differentiate next first power then x order getting differentiation of x square is 2x x differentiation 1 now ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟ it means here cos of x whole square differentiation is 2 cos of x to the power 1 then differentiation of cos x is what minus sin of x getting from outer to inner side we have to differentiate. From outer to inner side. First power, then next one. Getting? Any doubt? Okay. The next one I will give y equal to tan raised to 5x. This one I can be write it as the what? Tan of x whole square. Tan of x whole square. Sorry, tan of x whole raised to 5. I'm sorry. It means again this is in the form of x raised to 5. Then differentiation of this one is what? Dy by dx. That is 5 tan of x to the power 4. Power mugito. Then differentiation of tan x is sec square. Getting? Very simple. Okay. Next one. Next one. If y equal to root of sec raised to 4x It means I can be write this one as the what? Root of sec x whole raised to 4. Getting? Nodri, sec raised to 4x is different. Sec 4x is different. Nodri, sec raised to 4x is different and sec 4x is different. This domain ಆಯ್ತು, ಇದು angle ಆಯ್ತು. This is order ಆಯ್ತು. Getting? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ sec x s ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗಿದಾವು 4 times. ಇಲ್ಲಿ sec 4x ಅಂದ್ರೆ this is the angle or the domain we can say. 4x is domain. K3, there is a lot of difference. But then sec 4x ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಿ marks cut ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದರದ್ದು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ in the next class. Okay. Now dy by dx is, so now it is in the form of root of x raised to 4. ನೋಡ್ರಿ from outer side to inner side ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, root of x. ಇದನ್ನ x ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Root of x is 1 divided by 2 root of x. But x is in the form of x raised to 4. X raised to 4 differentiation is 4 sec x whole raised to cube. First outer side ಮುಗಿತು root, then 4, then sec x. Getting? From outer side to inner side ಬರೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಏನು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. From outer to inner side ಮುಗಿತು. Then differentiation of sec x is very good. That is sec x into tan x. You should have to answer. That sec x into tan x. Very nice. Then one more example. Y equal to cos raised to 5x plus sin raised to 5x. Now it is in the form of u plus v. Is it? U plus v. ಎರಡು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Then dy by dx is, so after this class I will give some examples as the homework for you. Getting? Then it is again x raised to 5. This is also x raised to 5. X raised to 5. But in between what we have? The plus. If plus is not there, if it is in the multiple, then it is u into v. If we have the difference, then it is u minus v. If this sin raised to 5x is the denominator, then u by v. Getting? Okay. Now it is u plus v. We have to differentiate separately the both function with respect to the x. Getting? Okay. Then cos raised to 5x means this is cos x whole raised to 5. It means 5x raised to 4. One power कमी बढ़ो. Differentiation means what? The power of x goes on decreasing. History. Then differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Getting? Next, plus sin raised to 5, that is sin x whole raised to 5. It means 5 sin x whole raised to 4. The differentiation of sin x is cos of very simple. These are all the basic examples you are going to be watching here. Okay. Then the next one. Now I will take some domains here to be differentiated. These are very interesting. So after this class I will give around 8 to 10 examples as the homework, and you people have to be show me. Getting? Okay. If y equal to sin 6x, now it comes. So very interesting. Howdre? See, sin raised to 6x is different. It means sin x whole raised to 6 sin. But here the domain is having what? 6. So what we have to be consider, look here, side problem. Sin 6x is, I consider this 6x as the what? X. I consider 6x plus 5 ಕೊಟ್ಟರು 6x plus 5 is x. Getting? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? Sin root x ಕೊಟ್ಟರು root x is nothing but x. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಲ್ತೀವಿ. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಬಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಐತೇನ್ರಿ? sin 6x ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿಂದ ಕಲ್ತಿರಿ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೀವೇನ್ ಕಲ್ತಿರೋದು? sin of x, cos of x, tan of x, cosec of x, cot of x, sec of x. ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊತೀವಿ? sin of x ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊತೀವಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ x ಅಂತ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಐತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನು. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಓದಿದ್ರಿ ಇದು ಹೌದಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಡೊಮೇನ್ಗ ಒಂದು ಆಂಗಲ್ಗ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ರೀ. ಹೌದು. ಸೊ ಇದು ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್? ಹಾ, cos ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮುಗೀತು, cos ಮುಗೀತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ 6x is 6. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗತೈತ್ರಿ? ಇನ್ನೊಂದೆರಡು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಬಿಡಿಸಿರೋದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತೈತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, here they have not given any power, any order they have not given. Order ನಿಮಗೆ whole raised to 8 9 ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೋ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ದೆನ್ ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. getting one more example I will take. So look here, y equal to tan 7x plus 8. now trigonometric function kaltidyavri, tan of x. look here first, that is tan of x. so differentiation dy by dx. what is the differentiation of tan of x? is sec square of x. first we differentiate to the trigonometric function, then after to its angle of the domain. then differentiation of 7x plus 8 is 7x is 7, then plus 8 is very simple, very simple, is it? next I will take y equal to sec of root x. what you are going to be consider? what you are going to be consider? sec of root x ಅನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು? sec of x. then differentiation of sec of x is sec x into tan x. ಮುಗಿತು. sec ಮುಗಿ differentiation, then differentiation of root of x is 1 divided by 2 root of x. very simple. ಹೌದ್ರಿ? the next one is about okay. the next one example is like cosec of e raised to x. cosec of e raised to x. so cosec of e raised to x is what? this is I consider cosec of x. what is cosec x differentiation? minus cosec x. x instead of x what you have to be write? e raised to x. cosec of x minus cosec of x into cot of x. so cosec x differentiation is over. the differentiation of e raised to x is e raised to x. very simple. getting? okay. next one is about y equal to, that is cot of x cube. what is the differentiation of cot of x cube? now you consider this one as cot of x. cot of x differentiation minus cosec square of x. getting? the differentiation of cot of x ಆಯ್ತು, x cube differentiation 3x square. so this is what the differentiation. next one, y equal to tan of 8 5x square plus 3. tan raised to 8 of 5x square the form of x raised to 8. Getting? What is x raised to 8? 8 x raised to 7. ಮುಗಿತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ x ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ tan of 5x square plus 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? tan of x. What is tan of x differentiation? Sec square of x. Correct, right? Next tan ಮುಗಿತು. Next 5x square plus 3, that is 5x square differentiation is 10x plus 3 differentiation is 0. This is what the actual differentiation of tan raised to 8 5x square plus 3 written. Okay. Next one, y equal to cos raised to 7 e raised to x into then sin 7 raised to e raised to minus x. Now both are in the form of what? Both are in the form of what? U into v. Okay. Then how you do this one? dy by dx. First you consider this one as u, this one as v. Keep the u as it is, that is cos of 7 e raised to x. Getting? Next, illadre first hige itಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬೇಡ. That is cos of e raised to x whole raised to 7. Correct? Next, sin of e raised to minus x whole raised to. Now this one is u, this one as v. The differentiation of, first we keep the u as it is, that is dy by dx, that is cos of e raised to x whole raised to 7 as it is. Now it is in the form of what? X raised to 7, x raised to 7, differentiation 7, 7 x raised to 6. Correct? The order is over. The differentiation of sin of x differentiation is cos of e raised to minus x. Correct? How the The differentiation of e raised to minus x is minus of e raised to minus x. Correct? Next, plus. Keep the sign of e raised to minus x whole raised to 7 as it is. The differentiation of cos of e raised to x whole raised to 7 is, now it is in the form of x raised to 7, that is 7 x raised to 6. Then differentiation of x raised to power mugitu. Then differentiation of cos of x is minus sin of e raised to x. Correct? Then differentiation of e raised to x is e raised to x. So this is what the differentiation. So they give very simple for the composition of the differentiation. So differentiation by the composition is, they give very simple examples because most probably they ask it for the 1 marks, and it is very helpful for the successive differentiation also. Okay. The next one I will take it as y equal to e raised to sin of x. Y equal to e raised to sin of x. What is the differentiation of e raised to sin of x means? I consider this one as e raised to x. What is the differentiation of e raised to x is? E raised to x only. Correct? The differentiation of x is cos x. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಹೇಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. e raised to x is e raised to x, but x differentiation is 1. ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಬರಿತೇವೆ, ಬೇಡಾದ್ರೆ ಬಿಡ್ತೇವೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, y equal to e raised to minus x cube. What is the differentiation of y equal to e raised to minus x cube? That is dy by dx is that is e raised to minus of e raised to minus x cube, because e raised to minus x is minus of e raised to minus x. Then differentiation of x cube is 3x. Sir, minus x cube illa a minus differentiation illa. Getting? That is differentiation of x cube is 3x cube. Getting? Any doubt? Okay. The next one example. Y is equal to e raised to tan of root x. Y is equal to e raised to tan of root x. What is the differentiation of this one? This is again e raised to x, but x is in the form of tan of root x. What is the differentiation of e raised to x is e raised to x. The next differentiation, x means tan of root x. Tan of root x differentiation, first apply for the trigonometric function, that is sec square of root x. Getting? So tan in the differentiation I to root x differentiation 1 divided by 2 root of x. Getting? Any doubt? Okay. So the next one. Y is equal to sine of cos x differentiation. So here differentiation, this cos x is nothing but sine of cos x. Then differentiation dy by dx is sine of x differentiation is cos of x. Correct? The differentiation of cos of x is minus sine of x. And don't multiply that minus of sine x inside the bracket because this is the domain of that cos. Getting? So if sine x into cos x, no, it is not so possible. Okay? Next one. So this is the last one example. In the next class I will solve some again few more examples. Okay? Very interesting. This is the last one. Then sine of tan of root x. This is again sine of x. What is the differentiation of sine of x is? Cos of x. Then tan of root x. Sine into tan of root x is sec square of root x. Tan in the middle. Differentiation of root x is 1 divided by 2. So this is what some basic examples on the differentiation by using chain rule. So I will give some few more examples as homework that you should have to solve and show me. Okay. In the next class I will solve again some few more examples. Y equal to 1 divided by e raised to x log x. Y equal to 1 divided by cosec x whole raised to 8. Third one, y equal to e raised to ax plus b whole square. Fourth one, y equal to sec of root x tan of root x. Fifth one, y equal to root of tan raised to 7x plus root of cot raised to 7x. Sixth one, y equal to cos of a raised to x plus b. Seventh one, y equal to whole root of sin x into cos x. Eighth one. So I will give 10 examples as your homework. Y equal to a raised to sec cube x. Ninth one. Y equal to e raised to If it is not get your answer this one, 1 divided by x square, I will solve this one, that is the 10th one. Okay, in the next class I will solve that one and I will continue this. Again this concept is not yet been over. Some I think more than 10 examples are there that I will solve, and we will continue these concepts in the next class. Okay, so thank you.